this edition of Simple Meals with Dave. Whenever you're inviting guests over, a casserole is always the best choice. Today, I'm gonna do a King Ranch chicken casserole. I have the ingredients here. I got some chips, cheddar cheese, cream of chicken, and then I got some diced tomatoes with chili. The first thing I wanna do is I need to cook. I got some chicken breasts that I need to cook. I wanna boil them, and I'm gonna put those to boil. And you wanna let them boil at least 45 minutes to where you can shred the chicken. Okay, so that's the first thing we're gonna do is boil the chicken. Okay, I have some chicken breasts. I have the water started, the boiling process. I have some chicken breasts and I'm gonna use in here. Just gonna boil them. Okay. Now the seasonings I'm gonna use for this, I got salt. Okay. I got some pepper, got some garlic powder, and then we're going to put some cominos. This is just a seasoning that I'm going to use while boiling the chicken. Okay, and then I want to at least let it boil for about 45 minutes to where I can shred it. All right, the chicken got a good boil going here. I have already set the oven at 350 degrees because after I put the casserole together, we're gonna put it in the oven and melt the cheese. And you could just see that it tear apart. So when it usually does that, you're good. So I'm gonna turn off the heat and I'm gonna transfer the chicken to this bowl. Okay. And you can probably, when you're making this casserole or you boil chicken like this, you can wait to shred it, or you can just cut it. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to go ahead and cut it. So. Then I'm gonna mix everything. Okay, so the chicken looks good. I got some diced tomatoes with some green chilies. I got a couple of cans of some cream of chicken. So I'm gonna mix all that together. I like to mix it all together. Then I'm going to add some cheese to it. I'm going to take off this glove. And I'm going to add some cheddar cheese. Then I'm going to mix it. Mix it in. I just like to mix in the cheese with it. Okay, looks all mixed up pretty good. Okay, then I want to put some chips. Let's put some chips on the bottom of the pan. Okay, once I put the chips on the bottom of the pan, then I'm going to put my mixture. Kind of fill in all the corners. Okay, now I'm gonna put it in the oven for a few minutes, get it hot. So I'm gonna cover it. I got my oven set at 350. I'm gonna put it in the oven. I'm gonna put it in the oven for about 20 minutes. For 20 minutes. So I'm gonna go ahead and take it out. I'm gonna uncover it, and then I'm gonna put some cheddar cheese on top. I'm gonna just melt some cheese on top. And then we'll put it in the oven for a few minutes just to melt the cheese. Okay, now I'm gonna put it in the oven uncovered. All right, we're gonna turn this off. Very good looking casserole. This is a King Ranch chicken casserole. If you're ever having some people over, this is an easy casserole to put together. Here on Simple Meals with Dave, we like to simplify everything in the kitchen. Nothing wrong with a lot of cheese. We got a lot of cheese on here. Nice and creamy and cheesy. You can't go wrong with that. Very tasty.